Hello, welcome to AI Factory. On June 13, 2024, Luma made waves with the unexpected launch of Dream Machine, a cutting-edge video creation tool on par with Sora. Unlike its counterparts, Dream Machine is publicly accessible right from the start, delivering top-tier video quality. Dream Machine is a sophisticated transformer model capable of generating realistic motions and highly consistent videos. It features both text-to-video and image-to-video capabilities, producing strikingly impressive videos with consistent characters. This ultra-fast model can generate 120 frames in just 2 minutes, creating a 5-second short video that looks as stunning as a movie scene. Luma has tackled the challenge of character continuity, enabling users to create videos with consistent characters and precise movements. Dream Machine even excels in camera control, surpassing the performance of the earlier Sora model. To use Dream Machine, simply click the Try Now button and log in with your Google account. Enter the prompt in the dialog box to start generating videos. The system will suggest prompts, and you can also enhance your prompts by selecting the Prompt Enhancement option. I pasted my prompt and hit the arrow, then went to the generation page. It shows that generations take 120 seconds due to peak usage, and the waiting time for generating videos will increase. Dream Machine supports multiple tasks at once to minimize wait times. Let's see the result. The accuracy of the character model, the quality of the video, and the movement of the camera are all excellent. With just a prompt, you can create a 5-second animated video. You can also upload an image and describe it to convert it into a video. Click on the image icon in the prompt box and upload the image you want to turn into a video. Add a description of the movements and hit send. It takes a little time to process. Let's see the result. Comparing Runway and Pika, Dream Machine's image-to-video capability is far superior in terms of picture clarity and range of motion. Pair it with background music from Sono, and you can easily create hit videos. Dream Machine not only produces longer videos, but also creates movements that follow real-world physics, outperforming its competitors. Its text-to-video ability generates seamless videos that mimic real-world operations, with camera movements close to actual filming scenes. Free users get 30 points per month, with more points available for paid users. Luma also shines in creating animated characters. Try inputting prompts like scenes of puppies playing in the snow or women walking down Tokyo streets to compare to Sora and see the results. It's open to the public to try for free. You'll notice the remarkable quality and lifelike animations. The link is in my description area. Please feel free to visit. Thank you for watching.